Hello everyone and welcome to Self-Learning. Here you will get chance to improve your language by learning some basic concepts of grammar used widely in our everyday life. Please watch it till end and do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the latest notification. So let's begin. Tenses. Tenses basically is the main part of English language. Having command on tenses will help you enhance your other grammar skills as well. Tenses can be divided into three major parts: past, present, and future. Under each umbrella, there are four more classifications: past simple, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. Similarly, for present, present simple, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. Same goes with future: future simple, future continuous, future perfect continuous. Now let's learn some basic rule and concept of present simple tense. Present simple tense is also known as present indefinite tense. It talks about facts, habits, and routine. Let's learn it through examples. Number 1. Earth is the third planet in the solar system. Now it's a fact. It will always remain third planet. You cannot change. Number 2. I go to school at 7:30 in the morning. It's your routine. You go at 7:30 in the morning. Number 3. I brush my teeth twice a day. Now twice a day or once a day. It's your habit. Let's move ahead with its rule. Affirmative. Affirmative, which is also known as a positive sentence, a simple sentence. When we talk about its formation, at the place of subject, if it is he, she, it or singular noun, we always use first form of the verb, but remember to use s or es with it and the object. If your subject is I, we, they, you or plural noun, then only the first form of the verb and object. No s or es with the verb. Let's learn it more with the examples. He drives car very fast. Now because I have used here he, I have used here drives, s with the verb. He drives. Second example. I wake up early in the morning. With I, we never use s or es in the verb. We never said I wakes up early in the morning. It's wrong. Let's move to the negative sentences. If it is he, she, it or singular noun in the subject, then we use does not, first form of the verb and object. S or es is only used in the affirmative sentences. That s or es moves to the does. If it is I, we, they, you or plural noun, we use do not. First form of the verb and object. Let's learn examples. He does not drive car very fast. He does not. We never use he do not. Number 2. I do not wake up early in the morning. Now remember, with he, she, it or singular noun, we use does not. I, we, they, you, we use do not. Next, interrogative. Interrogative means question sentences. Question always starts with does or do if we have those in as helping verbs in our sentences. Does, he, she, it or singular noun, first form of the verb, object, and do not forget to put a question mark at the end because it's an interrogative sentence. Similarly, do, I, we, they, you or plural noun, first form of the verb, object, and a question mark. Examples: does he drive car very fast? Do you wake up early in the morning? Now again, does is used with he and do is used with you. Interrogative negative. It has the combination of question as well as no, negative. Does plus he, she, it or singular noun, not, first form of the verb, object, and a question mark. Similarly, do, I, we, they, you or plural noun, not, first form of the verb, object, and a question mark. Examples: does he not drive car very fast? Do you not wake up early in the morning? Remember, in present simple tense, there is the difference of does and do. You need to be very careful while using does or do. Last, let's learn some tips to identify present simple tense. There are few words to identify whether the sentence is in present simple tense or not, like daily, every day, every year, every month, sometimes, never, often, usually. These are some of the words which will help you to identify the tense that this is present simple tense. I hope you found this video helpful. For more learning opportunities, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up so that we can create more such videos in near future, and hit the bell icon to get our latest videos. You can also share your ideas and queries in the comment section below. Happy learning!